Then we will change to white chenille yarn. First, wrap the white yarn around your fingers. Pinch the yarn tail and the fabric together like this. In round 9, put 1 chain stitch, 36 single crochets, and 1 slip stitch with the white chenille yarn. White yarn round hook, and put the yarn through the loop on the hook, that's a chain stitch. Put the yarn tail tight. Then work 36 single crochets with the white yarn. We need to work 1 single crochet in each stitch. Put the yarn tails above the hook during crocheting. Cut out the excess end. Continue to work single crochets. We have demonstrated 10 single crochets. Please finish the rest 26 single crochets by yourself. "36 single crochets are done. Finally, put 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Round 9 is done. Stretch the loop and remove the hook. Let's install the eyes. We will insert the safety eyes between rounds 8 to 9, spacing 2 eyes 10 stitches apart. Stitch a circle of 1 with 1 round. Count the rounds and check the position. Insert safety eyes between rounds 8 to 9, spacing 2 eyes 10 stitches apart. Let's count the rounds and check the position again. Then put on safety back pieces. Two eyes are completed. We will crochet with the front side that always facing towards us. Put the hook back into the loop and tighten the loop. Wrap the yarn around your fingers again. In round 10, start with 1 chain stitch, then work a cycle of 2 single crochets, 1 decrease, 2 single crochets for 6 times. Finally end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Then work 2 single crochets. Mark the first single crochet. Next, work 1 decrease to combine 2 stitches into 1 stitch. We will make decrease through the front loops of the next 2 stitches. A regular stitch has 2 loops. The loop close to us is the front loop. Insert hook through the front loops of the next 2 stitches. Yarn round hook, and pull the yarn through the 2 front loops on hook. There are 2 loops on the hook. Yarn round hook, and pull through both loops on hook. That's 1 decrease.
Decrease is to combine 2 stitches into 1 stitch. There are 2 ways to make a decrease. Method 1. Insert hook through the front loops of 2 adjacent stitches. The loop close to us is front loop. Hook the yarn and pull up loop through the 2 front loops on hook. Yarn around the hook and pull through both loops on the hook. That's a decrease.
Then work 2 single crochets. Two single crochets, 1 decrease, and 2 single crochets are finished. One set is done. The second set, work 2 single crochets. Two single crochets are done. Next, woven decrease. Insert hook through the front loops of the next 2 stitches. Yarn round hook and pull the yarn through the 2 front loops on hook. There are 2 loops on the hook. Yarn round hook and pull the yarn through the both loops on hook. 1 decrease is done. Then work 2 single crochets. The third set, work 2 single crochets, 1 decrease, and 2 single crochets. We have demonstrated 3 sets. Please finish the rest of 3 sets by yourself. Work 2 single crochets, 1 decrease, and 2 single crochets as 1 set. Six sets are done. Finally, work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Round 10 is done.